Welcome, I am Srividya from Dharmaburi, currently pursuing BO Food Processing Technology in PSG College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Now we will move to the preparation of aloe vera tea. Before moving to the preparation, we will look into the benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera has a range of therapeutic properties. It has antioxidant and antibacterial properties that inhibit the growth of certain bacteria that can cause infection in human. Preparation of aloe vera tea. We are preparing this without milk and sugar. Take a piece of fresh aloe vera, approximately 2 to 3 inches. Soak it into water about the 2 hours until a yellow substance left over in water. Peel the skin and wash it into running water. Cut into a small cubical piece and wash 7 times to remove the bitterness. To a bottom thick pan, add a 250 ml of water, a cup of aloe to it. After few minutes, add a aloe vera cube to it and allow it for boiling. Serve it hot. Thank you.